Take advantage of the Repair Request Builder tool in our inspection reports. Here's how to use this free feature. First, open the report and click the Report Tools menu. Then click Repair Request Builder. You will arrive at this screen. You can create a custom name for your repair request list here. Scroll down to find the items you want on your list. Here is a tip. It may be helpful to write down the item numbers assigned to each item you need before starting, so that you can simply look for the numbers. Then, click the check mark in the top left corner of the items you want on your list. You can add a proposed dollar amount of credit here or comments if you wish. Continue selecting any additional items you'd like to add to your list. When you're finished, scroll back to the top and click the Create button to generate a list of only the selected items. A link to view your list will be generated. Click the link to view your list. Your list will open. It will include all photos, videos, and text from the report for the items you selected. Videos will be playable right from the list, or they can be expanded or downloaded if needed. You can also generate a PDF of the list by clicking here. Your PDF will generate and open in a new tab, where you can download it for sharing. Videos in the PDF document will still be linked for viewing online. Clicking the video link will take the viewer to the web version of your list, as seen here. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.